Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a little bit different because RayNeo put out a bit of a challenge and they said, we want to see what your setup is. We want to see how our consumers are consuming FIFA content using our product. They want to see what we're doing with soccer. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. My name is Connor and this is where the Informal Tech Reviews live. Today's video is going to focus on a couple different things. First, we're going to start off with gaming, right? We got the soccer games. I'm going to preface, I'm not a big soccer game player, but I have the setup. We're going to look at it. And then after that, we're going to move into what if you want to watch some soccer on your glasses? What if you want to do that? What's the best way to do it? And then what if you want to capture some soccer? What if you want to do something a little bit different? You don't want to consume all the soccer. You want to go play. How can RayNeo help with that? And let's take a look at it. First, we're starting off with gaming. So jumping over to the gaming, we're going to look at the ROG Ally and the RayNeo Air 3s. Now, one thing I'm going to say right off the top is the RayNeo Air 3s is a special pair of glasses because I personally believe these are the best budget XR glasses that you can get. And if you look, oh, wrong side. If you look behind me, you can see there's a box over here with the RayNeo Air 3s on it. And the reason that is because we have a giveaway going on over at the Informal Tech YouTube channel. There's going to be a video. I'll post a link to it in the comments, or maybe I'll put like a little card right here so you can check it out. But basically, to enter the giveaway, you subscribe to the channel, you drop a comment on what you would do if you won those glasses, and that's about it. Okay, now back to what I was talking about. So if you wanted to play some soccer games, some FIFA type games, I actually have the FC showcase because it was free. It's a demo. And so that's what we'll take a look at. But all you got to do, throw on your RayNeo Air 3s, get them nice and comfy, connect them to your gaming device. In this case, it's going to be the ROG Ally, and load up your game and you're on your way. I'm going to pause it for a second, pull up the game, and show you guys. Okay, here we are.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
All right, I need to switch this to gamepad mode. There we go. Okay, so if you're going to play a game and you connect your headset to your gaming console, you're in. Right now, I got a 200-inch screen of what you're seeing, and basically, we're in here. So I guess let's jump in. I'm going to definitely have to mute this music, so I apologize for that.
Say it's always a pleasure to be at this fantastic venue, the Metropolitano in the Spanish capital, Madrid. I'm Derek Ray, in position to bring you live match commentary, and my expert analyst, as always on these occasions, is Stuart Robson. And if this game lives up to its billing, we're in for a riveting occasion. It's Atletico Madrid facing Borussia Dortmund.
Well, thanks, Derek, as always. The scene is set, two good teams, a great playing surface, and a vibrant atmosphere. It has all the ingredients for a...
And he's broken free.
We're in. Tackle him, take him down. Oh, don't.
Close.
Okay. All right, well, I think that's probably enough to understand what exactly is going on. So let me switch back over. Okay, now we're back from the ROG Ally and playing the game. That could be pretty fun. I think it'll take a little bit getting used to, but that's something I'm probably gonna jump back into. I don't know if I'll download the full one. We'll see. I used to play a little bit of FIFA back in the day, before they had their like dispute or whatever and had to change the name. But yeah, what's next? Sometimes you want to check out like what's going on in the actual soccer games. Go watch some highlights or something. And for that, you're going to need to turn to a different product. And so we're going to actually use this one right here. Let me see if I can get it pulled up. This one right here. This is the Pocket TV. and that is going to be the go-to for watching anything FIFA related, soccer related. And what I'd recommend is maybe sideloading an app specifically for that. But what I'm going to do today is just show a brief demonstration of how you might use it. And for me, it's going to be probably YouTube clips. So let's pull it up and get over to it. Okay, we're in. Now, if I wanted to watch some FIFA highlights, let's say FIFA highlights, I hit the Google Home button or Google microphone button, and it's gonna go search, and so it's pulling up some YouTube videos. You can click on it, and now I'm using this device. I'm hitting the arrows to navigate, and right now I'm in YouTube, and I'm pulling it up.
Welcome everybody to the Hard Rock Stadium in Miami for match 42 of this FIFA Club.
You can pause, you can do whatever you need to do. Now I'm not going to watch too much of this because I'm not trying to get copyright striked, but you get the idea. Basically, giant screen, watch your soccer highlights, watch your games, whatever you want. You get the ESPN app, you get the actual FIFA app. I forget what it's called. FIFA Plus maybe, or just FIFA app. I don't know. I can't remember off the top of my head, but you get the idea. You get your apps on there, you watch your videos, and you're good to go. Now on to the last one. Now, the last one actually does not involve the Air3s or any of the RayNeo XR glasses. I guess, I mean, you can call it XR glasses, but I would consider these more AR glasses. So these are the RayNeo X2. Now, if you're familiar with these, or if you want to check them out, I do have another video on the channel, a couple of them actually, where I highlight these, and these are glasses that have a camera on them, and the screens are in here. They use waveguide lenses, and so basically it's projecting an image in your line of sight. Now let me get these pulled up so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, now here we are. What you're seeing right there in the background or on my screen is the image that's being overlaid in my real world. And so I don't know if I look at the right angle, you might be able to see it on the actual lenses, but you can see it over there. And you can see if I move across here, it's going to manipulate the actual screen there. I'm using screen copy for this, and I do have another video on that. I think it's in the side loading RayNeo X2 video. If you wanted to check that out. Do I look like an anime villain right now? I mean, that's kind of cool, but yeah, so a couple ideas with the X2s, right? So obviously the go-to one is going to be if you're chilling somewhere and all of a sudden there's, oh no, a cool soccer event's happening, I need to catch it. Whoop, you hit the swipe forward and boom, you capture a picture. But if you are a little more prepared and you don't want to capture a picture that way, you can always go into the camera, and instead of taking a picture, you can record a video. And so you start your video recording and you're there. Now I'm not playing soccer right now, and I don't even know if I own a soccer ball, to be honest, but if you wanted to go play some soccer, you wanted to capture it, you wanted to hit that goal, get your power slide on, this is how you would do it. Now, the last thing that I'll touch on for the actual soccer setup is if you're just a fan like me and you want to go watch a game, you don't have to do it by yourself, right? And so one thing that you might want to do is head over to a sports bar to go watch some soccer with some people. Now you can see it's giving me some, like, I guess, suggestions of what to do. Oh, it looks like I need to calibrate my magnetometer. Let me pause and do that, and I'll be right back. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take you guys with it. Let's do it on the fly. Turn my head to the left. Turn my head to the right, to the left, to the right, to the right. There we go. Turn up, turn down. Calibration succeeded. There we go. Now it feels a little bit better looking around. But okay, so let me search for a destination. RayNeo's Sports Bar.
Which one is your destination?
Number 1. Oh, okay. It doesn't want to listen to me. So let me just tap it. Okay. So it's an hour and 43-minute walk. Maybe I should have picked a closer one. But what I really love about navigation with these is You hit that button and it's overlaid in your real world. And so you see it's telling me to look to the right. And I would go forward that way. Now, obviously, it's not going to take me to navigate through my house, but if I was outside, it's going to give me directions to get over there. And I think that's sick. You can switch it to bike mode or walking mode when you're in here. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Okay, so in my personal opinion, we hit the ultimate setup for the RayNeos, for watching FIFA, for enjoying soccer, for recording your own soccer, and basically that includes the RayNeo Air3s and the RayNeo X2s. Now, I'll admit there's going to be a couple other RayNeo devices that are coming out soon that are going to make this not the best setup. But until that happens, I think this is the way to go. It's the dynamic duo, the Air3s and the X2s. The X2s, I've mentioned before, they're not the prettiest glasses in the world. They're not going to win any awards for looks, but functionality-wise, they're pretty sick. Don't take my word for it, though. Give them a shot. If you wanted to pick up some RayNeo stuff, I do have an affiliate link. It's going to be in the comment section below and also the description. So jump in there, hit the button. But I do want to stress, if you want to get a pair of RayNeo Air 3s, you don't want to join this competition, and you want to try something a little bit easier, my channel just hit 300 subscribers. I think we're up to 340 now, but that's the max amount that can enter this competition for now. You know, if the amount of subscribers grows, then that's going to be in there. But you know, I don't think it's going to be huge. That we are closing out entries at the end of the month. So if you want to have a chance to win a pair of RayNeo Air 3s, head over to the channel, click that subscribe button, jump into the official entry video, and drop your comment for what you would do with your pair of RayNeo Air 3s. I'm going to be doing the drawing, I think, shortly after the month changeover. It's like a Tuesday or something, so it's a little bit weird, but yeah, head over there. Again, my name is Connor. I appreciate everyone sticking around. If you're here this long, you might as well hit that like button, but we'll see you next time. Peace.
Fever in the morning, fever all through the night.